Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. All right, well, first of all, it's been nearly a year, or almost a year, since this was done and since the interview was made. The point is, a mandamus legally can be filed anytime. The real issue is really twofold. A writ of mandamus is to force or try to force an administrative agency to make a decision. It is not to make the decision yes or no, but to make a decision. So before I would say, yes, you can go ahead and do this, I would need to know what the facts are. First, I would need to know why your cousin is attending the I-130 interview at the U.S. Embassy. Normally, the I-130 is filed stateside USCIS unless, under some circumstances, the petitioner, who is a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, if the visa number is current, files it in the jurisdiction where the foreign national is. So that's first. I'd want to know why it's being filed there, because that leads me to believe if it wasn't one of those exceptions I just mentioned, that it was improperly filed and is either not being adjudicated or has already been denied. Secondly, even if it was properly filed there, I need to know what the issues are and whether there is a very reasonable chance of the I-130 being approved. I mean, who filed the I-130? Who is the petitioner? Is this a sibling petition? Is it a spouse petition? If it's a spouse petition, is there a bona fide marriage? Is there a real reason that they might be looking at the I-130? Is there some fraud involved? Did they not know each other more than a month before they got married? If it's a sibling or family petition, are there different names on the birth certificates and so forth? So I would need to determine whether there's a very reasonable chance of success. If there is, then there's a decent chance that the writ of mandamus being filed would be able to go forward. Of course, you do have the COVID delays, which are delaying everything these days, for a long time. So some investigation needs to go forward to determine the validity of a writ of mandamus. Okay.